Hi, welcome. This is an ultra quick video about a topic I find very funny and that was being discussed recently, AIM-54s and Pulse STT. As we know, launching a Phoenix in PSTT is not common. PSTT should be the rule, but DCS being DCS, turquoise scan is the most used radar mode. Now, Pulse STT is a launch and leave mode. The seeker is active Unity, the WCS gives a general employment direction, and off it goes. Then, with lots of thoughts and prayers, the seeker of the AIM-54 should, emphasis on should, acquire something and steer to intercept it. In DCS, it's a bit weird, and the missile does really hilarious stuff. What you're watching is an extreme example. The target is a rookie Sukhoi 27, just because I needed the target. I added a bit of offset, and at circa 30 nautical miles, I lofted an AIM-54. The missile carried on until at 10 nautical miles from the target, a typical DCS hard-coded active radar homing missile limit. It literally pulled the handbrake, steered 90 degrees and intercepted the Sukhoi. I love it. Let's watch the attack view, shall we? So, as you probably know, I have no military background. I'm not an expert in missiles, guidance, radars, so I blame my ignorance if I'm wrong when I say what the fluff is going on. The trajectory is absolutely crazy. The missile steered when the ATA from the Phoenix was 35 degrees and the target was 20,000 feet lower. It may be correct, but that's a huge field of view. Now, on a more serious note, how can this be used? The second example shows a veteran Sukhoi 27 armed with all its nice stuff, jammers included. As I locked it in STT, it activated the jammers, to which the WCS replied by switching to JAT STT. At burn through, I pulled to loft and quickly executed a split S. Due to the range, there was no need to loft more than a few degrees, but the Sukhoi 27 had this massive 4 meters long pole coming towards him at a VC of over Mach 3. This is an hard miss to evade in these conditions. So this is a more serious application of PSTT, although there is little reason to use it over PDSTT, perhaps unless the missile uses the AIM-54A. On the other hand, the AIM-54A is nowhere near as a strong and independent missile as its younger brother, the AIM-54C, and it relies heavily on the Hawk 9 for steering, de facto being a fat AIM-7 Sparrow. This means this technique should not work in real life, probably. Anyway, thanks for watching and take care.